time. As you can see behind me, we have the glorious first ice. We traveled 3 hours north for this. It's cold, it's windy, but we're doing it. We are all packed up. Josh is on his way already, he couldn't wait. We're extra prepared this year. We got a brand new sled. We got just more prepared. We already went out and checked the ice. I got a little footage of that. We're good. It's solid, clear, great ice. We're on the ice. I'm ready. Josh is ready. Didn't want to dump the minnows there, but welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to videos. Gonna be making a lot of content soon. We got ice in Nebraska, not necessarily at home, but we got it near and a little far. Goal today is catch some fish and be safe. We got our ice picks, we got our floating bibs, we got one another. We're ready to do it, so come along with us. A little past 3 there, clear, solid ice. Josh is popping a bunch of holes.
Just had to get a big hoop on him.
Took way too long, but we did it. And you did it. Oh, he's right there! Oh my god!
There he is.
That is so awesome. He's not giant, but that was so cool.
Not a monumental catch, but
On the what?
I switched to a rattle Castmaster.
Oh,
Tiny one. He wanted it though. That one was different. That one was a different bug.
look at his belly, it's in the mud.
Yeah.
It sounds like little lasers.
Yeah, I know. Sounds like we're playing laser tag right now. It's bigger than the bluegill I thought.
Oh, he had it the whole time. I had one shot. Look at him, he's right there still. Dag nabbit.
I hit the roof.
That's the worst thing about the huts.
I forgot we were inside. He might come back.
You just circled back on it.
He did circle back.
I mean, you didn't like stick him.
No, he might have got my crappie piece though. And there's another friend. Well, hey, at least I got me hooking one on Panoptics. I mean, I certainly fudged it up. I can't see a damn thing, but we're out of the wind and I hook one on Panoptics. 21-minute Panoptics clip. Stop. Hopefully it actually worked, because sometimes...
A little foggy over there?
Sometimes the Panoptics clip disappears.
Oh no.
I know.
That's not good.
Trust me, I was doing it, Dale.
Let me close that clip.
I don't know. My thing isn't even falling down, Jordan. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. New clip.
No way.
Yes, what?
Oh my gosh, off the bottom.
Yes,
that was
bud.
so sweet.
Dude, that thing hit so hard. I'm not even gonna stand up. We're gonna just
Stop.
take
Collaborate
this easy.
in this scene.
Oh, he's right there. Ah! That's pretty neat. I mean, I've seen worse.
Yeah.
And those that might have been the same fish. He was just hot.
I guess I can help you. Good job.
I like this Marvin rod.
Yeah, seems to do the deal.
Even fights them on shore, Jordan.
Give me a piece of crappie.
I'm gonna, because there's another one down there. Off to the side. Good things come to those who wait, Jordan.
I ain't
But
waiting.
the thing, you left my house at 4:30 and now it's 2:30.
It's been a day.
So much anticipation and excitement for the first ice trips of the year.
Yeah.
It's kind of been a... Jordan hasn't caught a fish.
Not yet.
We'll give it an hour or so.
Yeah. And then it's gonna get real cold. Great eaters though.
Yeah.
I mean, if you want to keep them.
I said I was gonna, but Jordan smelled it.
I don't want him. Yeah, he stinks.
How does RD eat them little nasty rats?
That was cool.
That was pretty neato.
Yeah, he eats a lot of them, huh?
He does. By you, he looks interested. There he is. Hell yeah, Jordan. How does it feel to have a reel that works?
Hey, this looks pretty nice.
No, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. We did it.
Hell yeah. I think they like the rattles in that one, man. That one's a rattling Castmaster.
Yeah. Huh.
They like the little clickety clack.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Yeah. I just ran him the bottom of it. Good job, Jordan.
Thanks, Josh.
Proud of you.
Yeah. Not a giant, but first ice fish of the year. The old kitty. See you, buddy. Angry. Over there.
Yeah, he's coming towards you, ish.
Oh, no, right there.
Down off the drop. They're definitely biting better. But he's
Oh.
coming in hot.
He's coming in hot.
Oh,
Coming in hot.
he's gonna eat it. Oh. I still think he's gonna eat it though. Dude, they just turned on.
Oh my god. This
Yeah.
made the whole day worth it.
Yeah, man.
Oh, he's not bad.
Yeah.
Wait, is that a cat?
Or is it a walleye? I hope it's a walleye.
I
think
can't
it's a
tell.
cat. Walleye.
It
It's a
is.
walleye.
It is.
It is a
Nice.
walleye. It is a walleye. Good walleye too. Hell yeah, Jordan. I probably left it out, but I ain't leaving this out. But Jordan did just catch a catfish. And if he doesn't want that walleye, I'm stealing that walleye.
That's my biggest ice wall.
I mean, that's a respectable fish. Jordan.
Pow?
Ow, he stabbed me.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, can I have my spot back?
No.
Oh man. Can I have your walleye?
Yes.
Okay.
May.
He's over 15 for sure.
Yeah.
He's probably 18.
Yeah.
Perfect little eater. Maybe a little bit big for my preference, but at this point I don't think we get a choice.
Yeah.
If I'm gonna bring a walleye home to old Roberto, then it's gonna have to
Just
be that one.
what is this? A little Castmaster?
It's a Castmaster, and he has a rattle.
A little rattle. A little piece of bluegill.
You mean crappy?
Crappie.
Marvin rod, Stratic,
A Marvin rod.
10-pound braid.
Just took your battery.
That's alright.
This thing works pretty good though.
Oh,
Let's-
there's a fish coming in.
There we go.
That one kind of.
Got one. Yep. He just about took my rod in. I was on. It's
Sounds decent.
It tipped my rod and I felt something tapping my foot. My rod was going down the hole. Oh, he's all wrapped up.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That is pretty neat, though. I mean, one of the best parts of really ice, right?
Oh, yeah. Especially for bigger fish, like even bluegill and stuff is cool, but it's a little bigger.
Seeing them like that, you can't do it. You can't do it even a couple weeks in. Hey! Tell that dickhead to get off my panty.
Oh!
They almost jumped out of the house. Will you control that little type?
Yeah, I'll have strong line on this one. That was fun though. He hammered it. This is the biggest one.
Yeah, it's up there.
He's a gnarly guy.
Well, I guess you weren't lying.
He was just sitting, dead sticking too.
Yeah, they're just eating.
They said, "What's popping?" Look at that. This is my third fish in the last 30 minutes or so.
We could have just came at 3 o'clock.
I guess. Didn't need to wake up at 3 a.m. and drive way early, but yeah, this is probably close to the bigger cat today. Not a giant. No PB or anything. But,
PD&J?
PB&J, get him back. I'm not going to keep that one, but super fun on the little ice rods and cool seeing them in the clear ice. Yeah, it's been a day, but it definitely paid off here at the end, so thank you guys for watching.
Yeah, we set up in a pretty good spot, I'd expect.
Yeah.
Same spot I caught the first fish of the day. We could have just sat here all day probably and caught them.
Yeah, and I wanted to set up over there because it was close.
Yeah. This is only like 20 yards.
Hey, I was cold and defeated at the moment.
I was cold too.
Cold and defeated. Like if you would have said let's go home, I wouldn't have said no.
I saw it in your eyes, George.
Yeah. I didn't do an intro at the lake after we were all done. I was pretty dang tired and cold. Just wanted to get home. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. It was awesome to get out on first ice when we did, and it was so cool catching my biggest walleye through the ice. I think I've only caught one other walleye through the ice, and it was actually from the same lake, just never was filmed. So that was pretty exciting. It was super cool to see them through the clear ice, and yeah, I'm excited to get out again. Looks like we might be taking a trip here soon, and then we'll have some good ice around here. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for a ton of more content coming this ice season.